Welcome aboard Third Wave. Here's Jack. I'm Cpt.Spider. 47 weeks to go to Mahon Fiesta. So the reason I keep going on about that is their Fiesta lands on my birthday. And also, we're doing a circumnavigation, hopefully 2, and I'd like the line to cross at Mahon Menorca. So we're going to go down. We're going to go down past Land's End, over the Bay of Biscay, past the killer whales that's attacking all the sailboats, ripping the rudders off. It's crazy, that is. Don't know what all that's about. And then we're going to go into the Med, and then we're going to go up by Torrevieja. I have a place in Torrevieja, Marina International. So that's really my home port, but this is my home port. So I'm caught between... I'm a fish caught between two rocks. Is that a saying? Oh, I don't know. Right, so anyway, we're going to go down over the Bay Biscay, past Portugal, up through Gibraltar, into the Med, and then we're going to go up by Torrevieja. Hello, Torrevieja. And then we're going to get to Mahon. And then we're going to turn back from there on the Fiesta. And then that'll be September, October time. And then we'll come out of the Med. We're going to go over the Atlantic then. And then we're going to get through the Panama Canal. And then over the Pacific Ocean. And then we're going to go over the Indian Ocean then. And then we're going to come up through the Suez Canal, where all the pirates are. So that's going to be interesting. And then that'll take us back into the Med. And then hopefully the line can cross at Mahon. That's what the plan is. So fingers crossed. Anyway, we're down on the boat now. We're going to take off this drive leg. It's a Sillette Sonic drive leg. And right, let's get it off. So this is the drive leg, what drives the boat. It's a Sillette Sonic Mark 1 cat drive. The Mark 2 doesn't have a gearbox. This has got a gearbox in here, and it's got a forward and a reverse. The leg is full of oil up to there, all the way up. That is all full. It's steerable as well. This turns. Let's see if I can move it. No, it's locked off. I've got it locked off. But that turns as well, so it can move the boat as well. All right, let's get this oil out. All right, let's see if we can shock this out. Oh, there we go. So I've still got the cap on up here. So we'll take that off, and then it'll come out really fast. It should fly out then. Right, let's just do this then. Let's see what the colour is there. This has only been in a season, this. Clean, isn't it there? Spotless. I rebuilt all this leg. So I did a good job there. There's been no leaks or anything. Right, I'm going to undo this filler plug at the top. And then it should let air through, and then it should just gush out. So here it goes. There. Woo. and out it comes. So that's the filler plug I've undone there. So that's all nice and clean. But this leg is coming off. We're replacing this. It's coming off this. We're putting on the Mark II. So I'm going to rebuild that at home now next week. So main job is, let's get this bad boy off. Nice and clean, that oil though. Lovely jubbly. While that's draining, while this drive leg's draining, I'll just show you where we are. So here we are, third wave. And then what a lovely place to work on your boat. So this is the other boat I've got. That's up for sale. So this is called Chloe Joe, this one. It's Chloe Joe. And then here. So this is the bottom of this is the bottom of the Menai Strait. It's quite famous for Captain Cook used to teach all his sailors here. And this is Isle of Anglesey, Wales. What a lovely day. We're just about drained off now here. So the next job is remove this pin, undo this gaiter, and then undo this, and then that should be able to, just to pull away. So let's see how we get on now. So you should be hitting this with a bronze bar, but I haven't got one. I've had this in parts, so look how easy it's coming, how easy that is moving. There. It's because I've previously had it stripped down. And here, so this will be getting ready to drop off now in a minute, this. So that side's free. Now we're free. It's a good job I had that tied on. There you go. Part one. Now we need to get this thing off here. This. That is called the transom. So we're going to get that off next. So that's the coupling undone. There's also 6 bolts down there holding the transom on. So we're going to get them undone now. Right, this is just about ready to come off, this. There you go. Happy days. Job done. So, as you can see, that came off pretty easy. So it should do, because that's only been on 12 months. So, anyway, that's it for now. And but there's a big shout going out here, actually, and I don't know how to say it. So it was in the video last week, but I cut it out. But I'm going to put it in now. So this was on the, do they call it the edit room floor? But anyway, it's going to come in now at the end. So I'll catch you later, and then there's a big shout going out here. Ciao, adio. And I'm going to be honest with you. I wasn't nearly Cpt.Spider. So Mia, if you're watching, a big shout out to you. I was talking to this girl, and I says to her, "Do you like Andrew, or do you like the name Spider? Which you think sounds better?" She says, "I like them both, but Spider sounds a bit more heroish." And as I was introducing myself on the video as Andrew, that conversation just come into my head, because I was just going to stay as Andy, Captain Andy. And then I thought about what she says, so I'm Cpt.Spider now. But I'm no superhero. I'm a good guy, and I stand by people. But anyway, let's crack on till we meet again next week. Adieu.